Suncoast High School students and brothers Alex and AIDAN SKOLNICK created the nonprofit organization, the Sock Drawer. In the last 2.5 years, the SKOLNICKs have handed out more than 10,000 pairs of socks in our community. But this act of kindness is one for the books.
Today we celebrate our biggest project yet, the complete refurbishing of the library and TV studio here at Seminole Trails Elementary School.
The SKOLNICKs helped raise $50,000 to renovate the media center, paying for new furniture, books, and technology. The brothers cut the ribbon on the project.
Whenever you have time, it's just nice to give back to the people that don't have what you have.
Palm Beach County School District Deputy Superintendent Keith OSWALD says we can all learn from the SKOLNICKs.
What these two young men have done should be an inspiration for all of us about the importance of giving back to our community.
After the ceremony, AIDAN met with students.
So this is the TV studio where we do our news.
An older brother, Alex, toured the school's TV studio. Everyone appreciates the brothers' hard work and kindness.
And for these two young men to take their time, use their creativity and their drive to do something that they're not being paid for, that is something coming from their heart, is something that all of us in this community should be extremely proud of.
Students helping students inside the Palm Beach County School District. I'm Rick Blackwell for the Education Network, keeping you informed.